How's it going, Lions? Welcome to today's video. You guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up a SSD. If you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button, and let's get straight on into it. So first of all, for this installation, you're going to need a SSD solid state drive of whichever size, and also a SATA cable. There are two different kinds of SATA cables. This SATA cable is the one you will need to connect your SSD to your motherboard. The other SATA cable, which we will get to in a moment, is the one to power the SSD. As you can see here, there are two SATA cables in use, and I will zoom in now to where there are two slots available, as you have seen. So as we circle around looking at the tiny little lion, we will see there is already an SSD connected with the red cable, which is the SATA I just spoke of, and another SATA cable powering the SSD. As you see, there's a slot available which I'm going to take out and put this SSD in using these SSD little bolts, and let's get straight on into the actual setup. Once you've installed it, as I've said, you're going to make your way to the administration panel and computer management. After doing that, you will see there will be a disk management underneath storage. You are going to click underneath disk management where the new SSD will pop up, and you are going to say OK. After that, you are going to right click onto the black bar one and select New Simple Volume. Once you've done that, you will initiate the startup wizard where you can just say next and next again, where it tells you the sizes of the SSD, and next you will be able to select whichever letter for the beginning of your SSD. I chose F as it is the next step for mine, and then you want to have the same settings I have here, as these are the perfect settings for it, as well as just name your volume table whatever you want. It can be games, it can be SSD2, and it can even be local disk. I decided on choosing SSD just to go back later and change it to local disk. So once you've done that, you can select next. It'll show you all of the information you've selected. Click finished, and you are voila, done. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.